I really wanted to incorporate my film techniques and all that. And
I think so
I
you have
think
done.
me as an artist, complete now it's becoming more complete, like because I'm like able to incorporate like, you know, I was confused when I started whether I wanted to be a programmer
Okay.
or whether I wanted to be like in the art field. My father said you're an artist, go become an artist. But I always regretted that I left programming behind. Now I feel like then I did my masters in filmmaking and all, so everything is like now falling into place. It's totally falling into place.
When were you doing programming?
12th tak?
Okay.
C++, C. That's
Nice.
basic programming, but I understand basic. Since I've and I used to top my class. It's not even like, let me be not very modest about it.
ये रिकॉर्डिंग कौन किया?
ये मैं किया रिकॉर्डिंग की फिल्म बनाया मेरे पापा।
अब नहीं मतलब ये सब कौन आपने किया?
हाँ
किधर किधर गए थे?
मैं मैचडॉग गया, धारावी गई, उधर वो मैचडॉग के आगे जब
मच्छी बंदर गए?
उस साइड गया, वेयर हाउसेस का पूरा लिया। लव मारियो। Did you miss it though?
Oh.
It's okay, it's cool.
हाँ, so you were telling about where all.
मेरे को ये वीडियो दे देगा?
Yes, sure.
Where all what?
हाँ, कहाँ गए थे?
For what?
ये मूवी के लिए बना। हाँ,
okay.
वो बता रहे थे।
I went, first of all, early in the morning, I went to where all the fish came in Bombay. It gets redistributed everywhere else. And then that was quite the scene. I went with my fellow mate, Babu, who takes me everywhere. And he said camera photography is allowed. Guy photograph khichne. Take out my big camera and everybody was on my ass. Like, oh, you cannot shoot, you cannot shoot. And then finally I was like, okay, but hid the camera, walked around. Now, if you go there, it's like everyone is in these rubber boots. It's like, if you go there in the morning, you'll never want to eat fish again because there is piles of fish. People are walking all over. There's कीचड़ everywhere, smelling. मतलब उसके बाद ये मैंने सिर्फ 2 घंटे पहना था. I had to I came back in the late of evening. I came back in the evening. I was like glad to just get out of the clothes because I was smelling of fish. But I got kicked out of there. Then we went ahead to Masdok. Went to Dharavi. Shot in Dharavi. I have shot on all these Bandra, all the gutters and the ditches and the bridges. Then where all did I go? I went to Chor Bazaar. There are shots from Chor Bazaar. There are shots which I've actually found of Ganga where there is these meat and carcasses lying and birds are eating on it. Just capture. There are shots of Ganga there. Basically how Ganga is like getting filled with a lot of trash, and whenever we throw trash, it's the silting process which slows the river down. So partly I've mixed, I've gone into Bombay and different parts and just like observed it as a, city in motion, enjoying the technology, enjoying the morning and the waking up, but there still is, where is this technology going? How are we using it? Are we aware? Are we putting all those, are we disposing properly? How do we see or plan our city to grow? And that is where this piece is going to go. That's what it's about. It's about how do you bring ecology, architecture, our own very being into one place which is all balanced and sustaining with itself. And it's just a thought which questions all these ideas, and for me. I just want you to sit and enjoy nature sometimes, and when you interact with it, it's what you're creating. It's the machine that you're adding, and it's very simple, the logic. I think complex setup, but simple logic.
But yeah, it was fun making at least a part of it.
I know, and I am glad like for you it was a learning process too, and it got challenged you in learning new stuff. Java, it was first time you got
No, Linux. It was
Linux, okay, the OS system.
The OS.
Sorry, I got that wrong. Okay, OS, and then
it was a totally new experience. Like the hardware, it was the first time I worked on a computer on chip.
And also trying to make looking things pretty and aesthetic, which does not exist in electronics. getting, and challenging you with different connectors and wires and not suiting.
Yeah.